Okay, this video is going to be in 2 parts. Somehow I stopped the other bit. So here we go. We're plugging in. Let's turn this baby on and see what happens. Okay. Close that. Or, wait a minute. I think we got a... Oh, power's locked down. Okay. Switch. What's going to happen? Ooh. Okay, it's probably going to say no balls because we're going to put them in. Wow, looks like the lights are working. Nice. So far, I see them all going. One thing is when it does this routine, if I remember right, there never was going through the return to duty on all this. I don't know. It never was. So when it goes through this test thing. All right, we gotta put the balls in, load them in, 6 of them. Okay, moment. There we are, 6 balls. Let's put them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woohoo! Let's see what happens. All right, let's just start things and see what happens. Whoa! Did you hear that guy? Okay. All right, return to duty's going. All right, look at this. I'm gonna check this out and come back to you. Volume's a bit high, so I'll redo that. All right, we're gonna take this volume down a little bit so we can check it, and then we're gonna. Okay, there's a little better for right now. I will turn it back up because I like it. Okay, so quickly, let's do this. Send that up there. And then I'm going to try some... let's catch that guy. Now, we're going to try that. Try this beta quadrant. What do you say? Look at that. That's much better. You see that? Do that again. See this guard here? Wow. That's much better. Yeah. Okay, one more time. I just want to try it from a different angle. I'm going to try to come across like that and see what happens. Yes! Alright, now let's do the alpha quadrant. That's one that was really bad because he would jump through the broken bits and end up behind there. And I had to turn the game off and go and fish the ball out. And... okay, here we go. Let's try it. Look at that. We're going to try to go like same before. Look at that. One more time. Oops. Oh, I can't get it, can I? There we go. That is better. Much better. Okay, we're going to let that drop. I'm going to show you the return to duty light. And then we're going to put the back up. We don't want to continue.
To explore strange new worlds, to see
yeah, it looks good, man.
Civilizations.
I like that light back there.
Where no one has gone before.
Look at the board ship. Yeah. Okay, it looks like the lights are working. Nice. Return to duty. You see that? Oh, look at that, it's blinking. Return to duty was blinking right there. Okay. All right, we're gonna put the glass back on and do some proper play and cool, guys. All right, we'll get to, I'll upload this in 2 parts. Not the quickest in joining them together, maybe later. Okay. Let's go for the next generation, Starship Enterprise. Come.